Hello students of class 7. So today I will discuss computer. The topic is number system. So in my previous class I will discuss some short type questions or true false or MCQ based questions. So today I will discuss B, that is descriptive type questions in your dashboard computer book. So first one of B1, 1A. What is the radix of the binary number system? What is the radix of binary number system? The radix of base, we know that. What do you mean by actually what is base or radix? Base or radix means a number system takes two values. Suppose binary number system takes two values, 0 and 1. That means the base or radix of the particular number system is 2. If I am a number system, namely Manos number system, so I will take three values, 2, 7, 5. That means my base or radix is 3. This is the actual example. So here, what is the radix of the binary number system? Radix or base of the binary number system is 2. So of question number 1 answer is 2. Next B. What is the name of the number system containing 10 base 8? Containing 10 base 8. This is the form of which number system? This is the form of which number system? So what is the name of the number system containing 10 base 8? So 8 base, that means octal number system. Which number system? Octal number. So the answer is octal. Next C. Convert 6, 7 base 10 into binary. 6, 7 base 10 into binary. So we convert 6, 7 base 10 into binary. So now the solution is here. Suppose 6, 7 base 10 equals to how much of 2? We will convert the particular decimal number system to its equivalent form of binary number system. Clear? So the question is 6, 7 base 10 equals to how much of 2? That means we will convert the particular number 6, 7 into its decimal form. We will convert it into binary form. Clear? So 6, 7. So first of all we have to convert the particular number 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 3s are 6. The remaining portion is 1. Next one. 2 16 32, that means remaining portion is also 1. Then 2 8 are 16, that means remaining portion is 0. Next 2 4s are 8, that means remaining portion is 0. Next 2 2s are 4, that means remaining portion is also 0. Next 2 1s are 2, that means remaining portion is also 0. We will write the answer from bottom to top. So the answer is, if we convert the particular number 6, 7 base 10, that means it is in form of decimal number system. We will convert the particular number in binary number system. So if we convert particular number 6, 7 base 10 into binary form, so the answer is, we will write from bottom to top. So the answer is 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. This is the actual solution if we convert a decimal number system to its equivalent form of binary number system. So the answer is 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. We will counting the number from always bottom to top, not top to bottom. Clear? So now next question. Question number D. Convert 1 0 0 base 10 to octal. Now we will again convert 1 0 0 base 10 to octal. If we convert 1 0 0 base 10 into octal form, so 1 0 0 base 10 equals to how much of 8? So we know that the base or radix of octal number system is 8. So now we will convert the particular number into its equivalent form of octal form. So the number is 1 0 0. If we convert the particular number 1 0 0 into its equivalent form of octal number system, then we will divide 1 by 1 with the base of 8. After dividing the numbers, then we will get the particular answer. If we divide 1 0 0 base 8, so 8 12, 8 12s are 96, that means remaining portion is 4. Now 8 1s are 8, that means remaining portion is also 4. So the answer is, now we will write the answer from top to bottom to top. So the answer is 144. The values are 144. That means 144. The values are belong 0 to 7. That means not less than 0 or not greater than 7. So this is the form of octal number system. So the answer is also correct, because of the values are depends on the not less than 0 or not greater than 7. That means the answer is 144. So this is the form of binary and this is the form of octal. So this is 8. Next, second one, 2a. Answer the following. What is the significance of binary numbers? Next, what is the actual significance of binary numbers? So we know that very well. The number system is basically divided into two types, positional number system and non-positional number system. So in positional number systems are basically divided into four types. That means binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system and hexadecimal number system. So what is actually binary number system? Binary number system means it is a type of positional number system which can take only two digits, that means either 0 or 1. So the base or radix of this particular number system or binary number system is 2. That's why it is called binary number system. So the question is that, what is the significance of binary number? The significance of binary number is, it is a type of positional number system and it can take only two values, or we can say that only two digits. That means either 0 or 1. So the base or radix of this number system is 2, because of it can take two digits. That's why the base of radix of this number system is 2. This is the actual significance of binary number system. Next one. Next question is, what are the different types of number systems? So different types of number systems. Second one, B. Question number B. So different types of number system. If we write number system, we know that number systems are basically divided into two types. That means positional number system and non-positional number system. Positional number systems are four types. That means binary, which computer can only understands. Next octal, next decimal, and the last one is hexadecimal. And non-positional number systems are BCD code, that means binary coded decimal, or BCD. Next one is gray code, and the last one is XS3 code. And so many other non-positional number systems are there. For example, Mantissa bit, ASCII value, and EBC DIC value. So what are the types of number system? Number systems are basically divided into two types, positional number system and non-positional number system. Positional number systems are binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal. Non-positional number systems are BCD, that means binary coded decimal, gray code and XS3 code. The other bits are Mantissa bit and ASCII value. ASCII means American Standard Code for Information Interchange, and next one is EBC DIC, extended binary coded decimal interchange code. So what is the full form of ASCII? The full form of ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. And what is the full form of EBC DIC? Extended binary coded decimal interchange code. Clear? So the next one, question number C. Write the steps to convert decimal numbers into binary numbers. So question number C. Write the steps to convert decimal number into binary number. If we convert a decimal number, suppose our decimal number is there 21 base 10, that means it is a decimal number to binary number. If we convert a particular decimal number to binary number, then step 1. So first thing, step 1 is, first of all, we have to know the base or radix of two number systems. So here two number systems are there, that means 10 and 2. 10 means decimal and 2 means binary. So first of all we have to know the base or radix of two number system. That means two number systems are given, that means 10 and 2. 10 means decimal and 2 means binary. So now come to the point. So the steps are, first step is, first of all we have to know the base or radix of two number system that are given actually. So the numbers are 10 means decimal and 2 means binary. So the process is, how to convert a particular number system 21 to its equivalent form of binary. So if we convert a decimal number system into its equivalent form of binary number system or octal number system or decimal number system, the process is same actually. The process is 2 1. Clear? So 2 1 is divisible by, first of all we have to divide the particular number with the help of 2. So if we divide 2 tens are 20, that means remainder portion is 1, next 2 5s are 10, remainder portion is 0, next 2 2s are 4, that means remainder portion is 1, 2 1s are 2, that means remainder portion is 0. So the answer is bottom to top. So the answer is 1 0 1 0 1. So step 2, follow the divide method. Follow the divide method with the base 2, that means in binary. Clear? So first of all you have to know the base or radix of two number system. Those two number systems are given, that means 10 and 2. 10 means decimal and 2 means binary. Then follow the divide method with the base 2. Then follow the divide method with the base 2. So today I will discuss only B, question number B, that means A, B, C, D, and question number 2 A, B, C. In my next class I will discuss the next questions and answers and some application based question answer. Till then, goodbye, be happy, be good. Thank you.